So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily add a location on Life360 application. So first thing first, just make sure you have successfully logged into your Life360 account application. And once you're inside here, you'll be seeing this option. And to add a location on your Life360, all you have to do is simply click on this check-in button over here. You can just click on it. And from over here, it will show your nearby locations. So just add any of the locations just like this. So let me add this one, and just make sure you give allow all the permission the app wants from you. And to do that, you can simply head over to this section and just give allow everything from over here. And as you can see, it's not been allowed, so just allow everything from over here and come back to the application. And just like that, you will be easily able to add a new place or add a place to your Life360 application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. How to add a location on Life360 application.